Everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Might be wondering what is inside there. This is the holy water that you are going to use. Holy water. How is it possible I'm going to use holy water? Just feel free. Be with me on this channel. And I want to appreciate my returning subscribers. Those returning subscribers, God bless you. You have subscribed before and you want to be watching my videos. And if you are just watching my video for the first time, please, I want you to subscribe to this channel. Just click that subscribe button and be with me all the time. Now, how did I get this holy water and what I want to do? Guys, listen to me. If you have this water with you and you use it as I want to prescribe right now, your eyes will open, your spiritual eyes will open, and you will see if anybody wants to poison you. This is what I have seen. Man need it, woman, you need it. Boys and girls, all of you need it, because in this world that we have a lot of people that don't want you. Sometimes you may be drinking, and you want to go to toilet. You just put your drink down and you go to toilet. Before you come down, do you know maybe they have put one poison or the other in that drink, and you just take it and you drink it, then you hit poison. Some of people will drug it, and if this what I want to teach you, if it's in your life, if you have it with you, this water, if you can use it as I want to prescribe right now. If you see any poisonous food, anybody that is evil, your eyes will see maggots. Let's say you want to sit down on a chair, probably in the office, and someone has already charmed the place. Your eyes immediately will show that maggots is everywhere. When you see maggots, my friend, you don't need to sit down. You know that place is an accursed place. It's poisonous. They have used charm. And also, if you have this water that I want to teach you right now, anywhere you are going, if evil is on the way or in the front of you, you won't go there. Something will just tell you that you should go back, or you will see one evil, or you will see smoke coming out from that direction. You know that direction is very bad. As powerful as this method is, I want you to feel free and enjoy it. What you are going to do is that you get a yellow cup. That's why this is yellow cup. Let it be a yellow cup, not any ordinary cup, a yellow cup. Then you pour water inside, because there is water here. Ordinary water that you can use, not necessarily the one that you can drink. Just get water. It may be drinkable one, may not be drinkable. Just get water, clean water. Now, when you put that clean water, it's going to be halfway. Here is because of the yellow, that's why you can't see the water inside, but there is water inside it halfway. What you are going to do now, when you have water like this, you are going to place it outside your house, maybe in your compound, where you can receive the dews of heaven. Just place it there. When you place it there, what you want to do, that you turn this one to holy water that can open your eyes, open your spiritual eyes to see anyone around you that want to poison you, or what they have already done against you. You to be exposed. Their secret will be exposed, and you will call the person. It is not ring. Some people will say, I will put ring in my hand to protect myself. No, this is holy spiritual water that will open your eyes, an eye-opener water that immediately you use it. How? Just follow me. Now you put it like this, but don't put it on the ground. Don't let it have any contact with the sand at all. You can raise it. You can place it on a plank or something that will make the heaven open on it like this. And make sure you do it 6 to 6. 6 in the evening. You put it in a strategic place that you know that the dews of heaven will come on it. And also 6 o'clock in the morning, you will go and take it. I don't want this video to be too long. That's why I'm trying to short it. It will be in my description. I will put it in my description. You are going to be watching the video time by gradually if you did not get it repeatedly. So when you put it, let the dews of heaven fall on it till 6 o'clock in the morning. Then you will get honey. 1 spoon of honey. You place it there and mix it together. Mix 1 spoon of pure honey and mix it together. And as you are mixing it, you are prophesying. What you are going to tell, what you are saying, when you in this world, we are living with wicked people. So as soon as you are mixing it, you say, all my enemies, any plan they want to plan against me, Lord, open my eyes to see clearly. Any road, any evil that's on the way, Lord Almighty, open my eyes to see it. Anything, you begin to say it. Water is one of the things that God created. So the power of universe, the law of attraction and the law of nature will make things manifest. You just start manifesting. Then you now hold it like this, as I want to do. You can see. You use it to rinse your eyes, to rinse your face like this. Immediately you are done with that in the morning by 6 o'clock. When you have stirred it together with with that honey. When you have put honey there and you stir it together and set 1 spoon of honey, when you have done it, then use it to rinse your face. Make sure you finish all the water inside the cup that day. We are going to repeat the process just 3 days. Just 3 days. 6 to 6, 6 to 6, 6 to 6, 6 a.m., 6 p.m. to 6 a.m., 6 p.m. to 6 a.m., 6 p.m. to anybody can do this. After that third day, just don't worry. You will just but be careful. Be careful means if this thing work, you may be scared because immediately you are served food or someone want to poison you. It can be someone you don't trust or someone that think that they want to wound you, they want to catch you at the end of the day and wound you and wound your family. You can do it for your children. You can do it for you can tell your husband to go and do it in there because in the working place, a lot of things. I didn't say you should go and bring money. I didn't say you should go and bring something. Or so this is the confirmed thing that is happening right now, and I have it, and I know that I have been using it, and I will see maggot clear and clear that this place is bad. This food is dangerous to eat. I will see it. Maggot will not only one maggot that you remove this maggot. You will see the maggot will fool the food. That you know that yes, this is a dangerous food to eat. So you will not eat poison this year. This year, 2023, is your year of progress. It's your year of transformation. I will say it again. For those that have subscribed to this channel, I appreciate you. Thank you very much for doing this. And for those that will continue to subscribe, please subscribe now so that you can be seeing my videos all the time I'm going to be releasing it. Thank you and stay blessed. This is me, Coach Fajo, and that's my number. If you have any issue and also just chat me on my WhatsApp. And also that is my coachfajo at gmail.com, Coach Fajo. That's my Gmail account. Please then feel free to ask me a question. It's very important that you do it. Use yellow cup as described. Thank you very much. Stay blessed.